Chloe and Mira save the victual. Today it finally came, my Lois Cosmetics Halloween mystery box. Who doesn't love spooky season? I just slid it on the bottom here, but there's our let's get spooky and let's see what is in the box. Oh, and then to preface this, the small box was 15 pounds, the bigger box was 30 pounds. The 30 pound box was the one I got, which you would get a makeup palette. I have all of her makeup palettes, so I thought, well, if it's the Meet Me in the Underworld palette, I'm going to keep it. But if it's one of the other ones, I may possibly do a giveaway. I'm hoping to get my YouTube a little bit bigger, to maybe 100 people, and maybe, or do it in Instagram to get at when I hit 2,000. But I haven't quite decided yet, and I don't know what's in this box. So here it is again. Here is the Lois Cosmetics mystery box. So we're gonna open this up. So the first thing I see on top here is a tote bag by Lois Cosmetics. Happy Halloween. Eco-friendly and premium cotton. So that's it there. I like the little sticker on the top here with the little pumpkins and that. We will open this in a little bit. Next we have, oh, it looks like little cards here. So here's a Witch Don't Kill My Vibe, which I will put on my fridge. Oh, I've got another one here. That's very cool with the moon and stars. I really like that. And then, what else? Oh, we've got a sticker. Oh, this box is just full of things. Then we have a sticker. And then, oh, look, we've got a keychain. Happy Halloween, Lois Cosmetics. And oh, we've got a pair of earrings. So the other thing was, it said that you would get either earrings or a necklace. And if you wanted to, you could take a note if you had a preference. Maybe some people don't have pierced ears. I wanted to be a surprise, and here they are. Look at those little skeleton earrings. I cannot wait to wear those. Those are great. What else do we got here? Oh, we've got another little sticker. Spooky. And then we've got, oh, we've got some lashes. And look at the box that they came in. This is so fun. Drop Dead Gorgeous lashes. Okay, let's open these up. Oh, look at that. We've got a little spoolie there, and then we've got them in Audacious. Oh, those look nice. I like it. And then this box is just plain adorable. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, we've got a, is it Rain? I want to say Easy Rain. Yes, Easy Rain Liquid Eyeshadow. I have two of these. Let's see, this one I don't have. This one's in Lordship. I'm not sure if that's one of the ones I have, so let's take a look at it. I do like these glittery. And there we go. There's that one there in Lordship. I do have two. I'm not sure if this is one of them though. But if it is, then maybe I'll pop it in the giveaway as well. And then what else we've got in here? Oh, and then here is the palette. And it is the Aegon Rogue palette. This is a really beautiful palette. The first one I ever got was the rose gold one. And then I bought this one second off. Let's carefully take a look. And there it is. Look at this. I really love the shade outside the box, which is this green shade. So this is the only thing that would make me want to keep it, because I know I'm heading towards panning that one. This is a very beautiful palette, but at the moment I don't want to touch it, just in case we're going to have a giveaway. So we're just going to pop that there. That's really exciting. Her eyeshadows are fantastic. And then, oops, oh, what else we've got in here? And then we've just got a little thank you card. Happy Halloween, that's awesome. And of course my little bill. And then we are filled with packing caterpillars. But there we go. There is our Lois Cosmetics mystery box, the 30-pound edition. I'm really happy with that. That is great. So what do you think? Were you thinking of getting the mystery box? Trying one of the palettes? I highly recommend her makeup. This would have been a really good, I think she's going to have another launch of it as well. She did a first launch, and I think she's going to do one more of these mystery boxes. So you've been wanting to try Lois Cosmetics. I would highly recommend trying these. So it comes with a beautiful palette. I think it said 2 to 3 makeup items, and I think that includes things like lashes. So I've got lashes, got an eyeshadow palette, I've got my Easy Rain eyeshadow, we've got these really, really cute earrings, our keychain, and then just some cute stickers, cards, and then finally this little tote bag. Let's open her up. Oh, that's cute. There we go, spooky season. Awesome. She must have made these as well, so I can put my treasures in there if that's what I want. Excellent. So there we go. Just a really quick video of the unboxing of my spooky mystery box from Lois Cosmetics. If you like this video and like to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Or maybe even click that notification bell. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends and we can still open up spooky mystery boxes. All right, have a good one. Bye.